guys, it is of course Andrew Luck, and I'd like to thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you how to move your website, stroke back up your website, which is in WordPress, and really straightforward. A lot of people don't like it. They get all very nervous, or am I going to damage the database? What, is it difficult to move a website? It's really straightforward, okay? Do not panic. Right, what we'll do, first thing I want to stress, I am not being sponsored by the people whose plugin I'm going to sort of use today. I like it, I recommend it to a lot of people because it just makes life easy, and with WordPress that's great. WordPress is a fantastic content management system, great for your websites, your blogs, your pages, all that sort of stuff. But sometimes there are things that some people get a bit nervous about, but there is nothing to be worried with this. It's all straightforward, and the great thing is if you are using it for your migrations, you can also use it for your backups, which is fantastic. So the first thing to do is to install or log into your WordPress dashboard at the back end. Go to plugins. Now I've already got it installed, but we'll go find it again. All you need to do is go up to no, we don't want to go add new, just testing you there, then search plugins, and it's called all-in-one WP migration. I absolutely love this, it's brilliant. Now before you install it, and before you install any plugin, what you need to do is just check that it's compatible with your version of WordPress. If you install it and you haven't checked and then you find out that it isn't, your site will disappear, but don't panic, it's still there, okay? It's just the plugin's broken it. What you do is you either FTP into your web space, go into WP-content, then plugins. You then rename or delete the plugin that's caused you the problems, okay? Alternatively, you can log into your control panel with your host, which they might use a cPanel control panel, we use a Ples control panel, and there'll be a file manager or something. I mean, they might have a different control panel altogether, they might have done their own homebrew version. You go into the file manager or equivalent of it there, you would then rename or delete that plugin in there, okay? And then if you go back to your website, hit F5 or Apple R I think it is, and then your site should just reappear again. So anyway, what you want to do, you want to click where it will say install now, it will do there, click on it, activate it, and then you'll see that it's listed in here, and down here on the left hand side you have the three options. So let's get started. So we'll start off, if you're back at your dashboard, you hover over all-in-one WP migration, export to a file, and what this does is it basically gets a bag and starts putting everything into that one bag, so you get one file at the end of it. Here we go, and it now gives you the option to download it. All you do is click, that's it, and it starts downloading it onto your computer. Now we're going to sort of skip this. I've already done this because it takes a while. Now the idea being, if you're going to move your site, obviously you want to go to your new provider. Now what you'd need at your new provider is to set up another copy of WordPress, just a blank copy with the basic template, and you need to install the all-in-one WP migration plugin. Okay, once you've done that, it's all downhill. You go to import, okay, so we sort of hover over, you can either hover over it or just go straight to import. Import from file, you then navigate to where you've saved the file, double click on it, and it starts uploading, and then you just follow a couple of instructions that come up. So we'll just wait for that to upload. Right, okay, so the file is uploaded now, and it's going to say the import process will overwrite your website, including your database, media, plugins and themes. Please ensure that you have a backup of your data. Well, remember, at this point you're going to be on your new site, so it's going to overwrite the brand new version of WordPress with nothing on it, so it doesn't matter. So if you click proceed, but if you're doing it from a backup, remember, you're going to obviously roll it back to your last copy that you had. Click proceed there. Now it doesn't take long. I mean, obviously it's going to vary depending on the size of the site that you've got, but generally it doesn't take too long at all. And it's important, as it says there, please do not close this browser window or the import will fail, but it could also cause a database corruption at that point. Okay, so your data has been imported successfully. Now you must save your permalink structure twice, and two, optionally you can review the plugin. It is a great plugin. Again, I'm not getting paid to say this. I really like it, but we're going to do the permalink settings. We'll keep them plain. So we save them twice, or once, twice. Okay, so that's all there is to it. You go to your live site, you install an all-in-one WP migration, ensuring that it is compatible with your version of WordPress. Then you go across to your, once you've backed that up, you click on import, or export, sorry. Let's hover over it and go through it. So go export to a file. Okay, that will then give you the ability to download it to your computer. You then go to your new place where your website's being hosted, install WordPress, just the basic version. You don't need any themes or anything like that, just straightforward WordPress. Then when you get there, you install all-in-one WP migration and then click import. Then import from, file, select the file on your computer, and then it will upload. And again, it depends on the size of your site, to the speed obviously, or the length of time it will take. So don't panic if it says, if it takes like an hour, it takes an hour. Maybe you've got a large site, maybe the internet isn't as fast, but whatever you do, don't panic, because you've got a copy of the site. So if anything goes wrong, you've still got that copy of the site, plus you've got your live version of the site. Now, if you do get any problems, please leave a message below. I'm happy to help. A lot of the subscribers will let you know that I'm happy to help however I can, because I enjoy doing this. Great though, if you are new to the channel, if you could subscribe, that'd be brilliant. And also if you click on the notification bell down below, you'll then be alerted every time we upload a video. Now at the moment we've got a lot of WordPress ones going up there, but we're going to be doing lots of different areas of hosting and website design and things like that, but obviously it takes time to build it up. As I say, leave a comment below, that'd be great. And a thumbs up and a thumbs down. And if you leave a thumbs down, please leave a comment to say why, because I can only make these videos better by being sort of told if we're going wrong somewhere. So please don't be afraid to leave a comment down below. Okay then, but any problems, message me. Okay then, take care guys, bye.